Welcome to Organic Chemistry YouTube channel. In this chapter, we will discuss monosaccharides. Monosaccharides have two main classes. One is aldoses, which contains aldehyde group. Aldehyde group is CHO. Functional group for aldehyde is CHO. Another one is ketoses, which contains ketone group C double bond O group. They are divided into subgroups on the basis of number of carbon atoms, that is trioses, which contains 3 carbon atom, tetroses 4 carbon atom, pentoses 5 carbon atom, and hexoses 6 carbon atom. To classify a monosaccharide completely, it is very important to specify the type of carbonyl group, either it is aldehyde or ketone, and the number of carbon atoms present in the molecule. Depending upon the carbon atom, the names will change. Thus, it is referred as aldotrioses, which contains aldehyde and 3 carbon atom, aldotetroses, which contain aldehyde and 4 carbon atoms, aldopentoses, which contain aldehyde and 5 carbon atom, aldohexoses, which contain aldehyde and 6 carbon atom, ketotrioses, which contain ketone and 3 carbon atom, ketotetroses, which contains ketone and 4 carbon atom, ketopentoses, which contain ketonic functional group and 5 carbon atoms, ketohexoses, which contain ketonic group C double bond O and 6 carbon atoms. Here I have given examples for aldohexose and ketohexose. Aldo means aldehyde group. Aldehyde group is present at the first position and 6 carbon atoms are present in it. And ketohexose, ketonic group is present at the second position and 6 carbon atoms are present in the straight chain. Aldohexose is known as glucose and ketohexose is known as fructose. Here I have given few more examples. One is glyceraldehyde, another one is dihydroxyketone. Glyceraldehyde, which contains aldehyde and 3 carbon atom, so it is aldotrioses. Dihydroxyketone, which contains ketone and 3 carbon atom, so it is ketotriose. Now we will discuss the stereochemistry of monosaccharides. We have to know the terminology capital D and capital L. We have to very sure about the capital letter. The simplest of all the carbohydrates are the trioses. Here we have mentioned the trioses. This is triose and this one is also triose. Glyceraldehyde contains one asymmetric carbon, that is here. The second carbon is asymmetric because it contains 4 different groups around the central carbon and it exists in two optically active forms called D form and L form. These two forms are mirror images of each other. In D-glyceraldehyde, the D represents the OH group, hydroxy group on the carbon number 2 is present at the right in the Fischer projection. In L-glyceraldehyde, the prefix L, this L means the OH group on the carbon number 2 is present at the left in the Fischer projection. This is represented in Fisher projection, that is one vertical line and one horizontal line. The two forms are mirror images that cannot be superimposed, that is they are enantiomers. Here we have to know the term enantiomers. Organic chemistry is very simple. This video is posted for both school and college students. If you have any doubt, you can contact me at orgchem.simplify@gmail.com. Thank you.